Sounds crazy, but just mastering the basics of n8n can fast-track your journey to real workflow automation and problem solving. Our goal? Use only n8n nodes to select a random quote every hour and write it to a file. No services, no API keys, just pure logic blocks. This flow uses just 4 nodes: schedule trigger, edit fields, code node, and finally convert to file. Simple and effective. Here's how the final flow will look. Let's learn as we build it. Create a new workflow in your n8n account. It will open blank canvas with plus icon in center. Click that, it will open side panel where nodes can be searched. Search for schedule trigger and click on that node. It will place the node on canvas and open a new window. On the left side, there is Parameters tab in which the trigger rules can be found. Under the rules, change the trigger interval to hours. Default hours between triggers is 1, leave it as it is. Clicking on Setting tabs, you can add notes for the node. All nodes have test step as shown here. On the right side of you will see output area. Click on the pencil icon will open the pinned data editor. You can add the data just by copy-pasting like this. The entire flow is available on GitHub and link will be shared. You can get the data in that flow. You can look at the data in JSON, table, and schema format. You can click on Back to Canvas Now. Click on the plus icon that is coming out of the trigger node. And in the side panel, search for Edit Fields. Click on Edit Fields node. Edit Fields has input area and output area. Looking at the input area, we can see the quote and author data. This is the data that we pinned to the schedule trigger node. We want to send the quoted text followed with the name of the author. The Edit Field nodes allows to select the fields we want to send and create new fields. We are creating a new field named quote_author. We can build the text string by just dragging the input field we want and adding the text, like shown here. You can see the example output. After you are done with editing the text output, click on the test step will populate the output area with quote author data. Under the parameters, you can toggle include other input fields that will send all the input fields to the output. You can see author and quote key that is now added to output field. Our goal is to have one random quote as output. Here we are getting 10 quotes. To choose one quote, we will use the code node. Code node has the input, output, and the code parameters area. We will leave the mode as it now. We will be using JavaScript language for the code. Next, we will update the objective as comments in code area. In the code area, I have pasted the code for getting the random quote. Since the mode is run once for all items, we can assign the input to quotes list. The all method will return a list. We will use the math module's floor, random, and length function to get the random index. The random index will be between 0 to 9, which is used for picking one of the quotes from the quotes list, as shown here. The return statement has to be a list of JSON objects with this syntax, so the next node can get the output in JSON format. After that, click on the Test Step button. We can see the output are populated with the data as shown here. Clicking it multiple times will give different data. Back on Canvas, we will add the final output node. Search for Convert and select on Convert to File node, and then choose Text File option. A familiar input and parameter window will open. From the input fields, take only the quote_author field and drag it to text input field as shown here. Next, add option of file name and update name as quotes_txt. Click on Test node. The output node will be populated with file details. Clicking on the View button will show the quote along with the author. Going back to the canvas, click on the Test workflow. This execute all the nodes. Then open the Convert to File node, and you can see there will be a different quote output. There you have the first n8n workflow. You can activate it, and it will update the quote every 1 hour. You can download this flow as JSON file from this Git repo. The repo also contains the Docker Compose file for self-hosting. What if I told you there's a powerful yet simple n8n workflow that can cut your lead processing costs in half? We will dive into that next. Do leave a comment and share it with others starting their automation journey.